Alright, so she's almost back together again. I got the nose pushed back into place. Got the full air box reattached. These bolts here are what were down here, so I can move the nose away. Got the AC lines reconnected down there. Gonna have to get that recharged, but I think it was time anyway. You see how little space there is to work when the nose is pushed back into place. Now it's time to put the headlights back on. I still have a little bit of an engine miss. I think it's a vacuum leak. I do have some vacuum lines in the back that I need to put back in a little bit tighter and secure with bolts. And then I will take it out to the Autoport store and hook it up to the scanner and see what it says. Getting there.